want to attract thousands of new customers and boost your sales? To do that, you need a good-looking and professional website. A website will help you to reach thousands of people and potential customers all over the world. Build credibility, promote your personal and business brand, sell your products and services online, collect leads for your business, get organic traffic, and put your business on Google in front of millions of people that are looking for your products and services. And in this course, you will learn how to build a pro website in 30 minutes. These are the 2 sites that we are creating: elegant, responsive, attractive, and very professional. And once you learn the process, you can follow the exact steps to create any other website that you want, for you, for your brand, or for your friends. People think that creating a website is complicated, expensive, that takes time, planning, meetings, hiring a developer, and much more. But in reality, there are 2 ways, and I'll teach you the 2 easiest and fastest way to create a professional website, one using Wix and the other using WordPress. We'll be creating a website from scratch step by step. You don't need any prior experience or programming skills. In the next 30 minutes, you will have a pro website built and ready for your customers. See you inside. Hey guys, welcome to the course. I'm happy and excited to see you here inside. And to start, we will talk about why you need a website, why you and your company need a website right now. I'll give you 10 reasons why, and after that, we are going straight to the website creation, and in the next 30 minutes, we will have your website ready to go for your clients. The first reason is that your website is the home of your business online. When we are talking about digital marketing and the online world, in that world, your website is where your company lives online. So that's the first reason. It's really important. The next one is because it's your digital business card. When you are talking with clients, with friends, or with any other companies, your competitors, when you mention your website, it's like giving them your business card, your digital business card. They can see all about your company, your products, your services online on your website. Also, the third reason is because the website will help you to get discovered on the search engine results or on Google. That's fantastic because people will start discovering you, your brand, your website, your products organically on Google by searching there. So that's very powerful. The next one is because the website can help you to build credibility and trust when clients are about to buy a product or a service. They see a website that is well built, that looks good, that is professional. That's building credibility for your company. Also, number 5, the website will promote your personal brand or your business brand. With the website, you can promote your brand all over the world to people and fans that follow you. The next one, number 6, this is my favorite. You can sell your products and services on your website. I'll show you how to do that too. And the amazing thing is that your website will stay open 24/7. So if you are selling, or if you will sell in the future products or services, your website is the best way to sell because it's open for clients all over the world 24 hours a day. The next reason is because your competitors, probably they have a website. So you need to also have a website to be able to compete with them in the online world. Also, the website is important because it will help you to collect leads for your business. Leads are when you are getting name and emails of your audience, of people that are interested on your products, your services, and later you can do advanced email marketing with them and start selling more and more products and growing exponentially. Also, you will get organic traffic with your website. As we talked before, people will find you organically on Google, and organically means that you don't need to pay for ads on Google, on Instagram, on social media. People will start finding you, your products, your content organically. And the last reason is because the website will help your business grow, right? Why? Because you are opening, but by putting your brand, your company, your products online on your website, you are opening the doors of the online world. That means that you can reach anyone, anywhere in the world, at any time. People are always ready to learn about you, your product, your services, or what you have to offer. These are the 10 reasons why you need a website. Now we go to the next step where we are ready to start building that. See you in the next video. In this course, you will learn the 2 easiest way and fastest ways to create a website, right? And we have 2 paths, and you now need to decide which path are you going to take. That's why I created this video for you. So stay here with me. This is important. We will be working here first with Wix. Wix is a tool that helps create website. Wix is the easiest, hands down, the easiest tool that there is online to create a website. Literally, after creating your account with 1, 2, maybe 3 clicks, you have your website up and running. Of course, you need to customize the website, change the wording, change the images. Super fast, super easy. That's one option. And this is the website that you see here. This is the one that we are creating with Wix. It's a digital marketing agency. You can configure this for any business. If you want a different template, I'll show you in the next model how to choose a different template. You see, super professional, clean, and has a good looking appearance. This is Wix, and this is the first option you have here in the course. Also, we have a second way to create a website here, which is also super easy, super cheap, super fast, which is with WordPress. WordPress is a leading platform website creation all over the world. Most of the blogs today and websites are creating under the WordPress platform, which is the second way that we have here in the course. And WordPress is easy to do, is also fast. It's a little bit more complicated than Wix. So if you said, Diego, I want the easiest hand-down way to create a website, even if I need to pay a little bit more because Wix is a couple dollars more expensive than WordPress, you can go with Wix. If you want more control over your website, you want to have access to millions of plugins, and you have time right now with me, it will take us from 30 to 40 minutes to complete the complete creation of your website with WordPress here in the course. You can go with the second path. So that's your choice. You need to choose now. In the next model, we are starting with Wix. Okay, so if you want Wix, just watch the next model. If you want WordPress, jump the next model and go to the WordPress section where we are starting from scratch creating the websites. Doesn't matter the option you choose, at the end of the day, you will have a super professional, good looking website ready for you, for your business. So I promise you, if you keep watching here, in the next hour, for sure, you will have the website ready to share with your friends, with your clients, and all over the world. Okay? See you in the next video. Hey guys, welcome to this video. Here we are ready to start working with Wix, and the first step is to create your Wix account, and that's what we are doing right now. In this video, I'll show you the different plans they have and how you can get a free plan to start building your website. And also, we will create your account, we will sign your account. So by the end of the video, you will have your login information, you will be able to log into Wix, everything right here. So stay with me on this video. So the first step is this is the website that we are building right now on this specific example. So you see it's a professional website. We have the logo here at the top, creative corner. In this case, we have the menu. We have a main banner that with a call to action that you can choose. I'll show you how you can change the photos, how you can configure all these so it looks very professional with your brand colors. So we will change the colors to match your branding. And you have some quick links here that you can customize easily. You have the About Us section, the Contact Us section, and we will see also how to add more and more sections to your website with just one click. To do this whole process and to create this professional website and any other websites that I'll show you how to do, you don't need to know anything about coding or programming. We will do the whole process just with a few clicks. To start the process, we can use my affiliate link and go to diegodavila.com/Wix, diegodavila.com/Wix. Here we are in the main page of Wix, and this is my affiliate link. This is a special price, a special plan that we built for our students, so you get a better deal by using this link. Here we are in the main page. Let's take a look before we jump in, let's take a look on what we are doing here. We see that Wix is one of the leaders in website creation, and hands down is the easiest way to create a website, the easiest and the fastest way. You see, you can build great websites where you can manage your brand in one place, you can sell products, you can grow your online presence, and the good thing is that you can start for free. So if you want, you can have a free website. And of course, later you can upgrade at any time if you think it's necessary. So let's start here with our email address. So enter your email address here, click on Start Now. And here you need to you enter your email, enter your password, and that's it. After that, you will have the account created. That's how easy it is. And you will see an interface like this. In here, this is my website's interface. You see it here. And in here, you will see all the websites you have. On this case, I just have this one that I created as a test, and this is the one that we are developing here on the course. So congratulations, you have your Wix account. I'm happy because you are ready to go, and in the next video is where we will take the first step and start looking at the templates to choose the best templates for you. Wix give us thousands and thousands of templates that we can use for free. They are all professional, all the templates looks amazing, and I'll show you that in the next video. See you there. To create your website, the first step is to click on the Create New Website button here. Of course, you can organize. Once you have several websites, you can create folders to organize the websites if you want, but let's start with one and concentrate just on that for now. So click on Create New Website. It's opening a new tab for us. Excellent. And here, this is an important thing. You can follow. Wix is so easy that if you don't want to choose the template, if you don't want to think about it, if you want the website just to magically show up in front of you, you can follow these steps, these questions that they are asking. So they are getting information from you, and they are building their website themselves. But I recommend you to avoid that. Why? Because if you follow these, you will have a preset template that will show up on your website. But I want to show you all the templates that you have available. So please, on this case, click on Skip. So we skip this option, and we have a second thing that we want to skip. They are asking, what do you want to add to your website? Chat, of course, we maybe want a chat box on the corner here. Maybe you need bookings. If you have a clinic, if you are doing personal coaching, or you have like a hair salon or any business that requires booking, you can use that. It's totally integrated with Wix, easy to do. So you can check, click this and add, or you can add events, you can add an online store, music videos, online programs, courses, pricing plans, forums, group. You see that they have a lot of stuff. I recommend you to click on skip here for now, and we can add any of these elements later. So don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do it. For now, let's skip this so we see the whole collection of templates. And the last step is they are asking, hey, let Wix create the website for you. So they will ask a few questions and automatically will create a website for you. Please select the edit template so we can do it here, and you have more control and you can see more options for your brand instead of just going with one that they will suggest. So click on edit template on the second here, create your own website with the editor. Okay. And here we are with all the templates. They are showing first the most popular templates, as you see, in order of popularity. They have 2 pages here with the most popular. And you can also click on, for example, see all the templates. So you see that they have over 70 pages with templates here. Or the one that the option that I really like is to choose a category. So if I go here on the first column, on the first menu item, I see all the categories: business, wellness, beauty and hair, fashion, travel, restaurant, landing pages, professional CVs. So you have all the options here and you can create any website that you want, right? So depending, here is where we will divide my students, right? Because maybe you are in the beauty and hair business and I'm on the business, and maybe another guy here, another girl is on the travel and tourism, or maybe someone wants to create a landing page. So my suggestion is to come here and explore the ones that you like, the ones that, not the ones that you like, the ones that make sense to your business, okay? So if we come here and you can also search here for a template. Let's say I want a business template. Let's say business blog, for example. We see all the business blog templates. Let's say we want travel. So I have a business about travel, a travel agency or something. You see all the options here, right? 3 pages full of templates. Look, and they look really professional. So if you like one of these, you can click on edit and start using that, or you can go to view and have a live view of how it looks like. So you see here a logo, the top menu, we have a beautiful image here, on this case of a boat, people fishing, welcome aboard, book now. So this is one business that is using the book feature, and you see more and more about this website. Really nice. Let's go back to the main collection of templates and let's choose the one that we want. I'll search in here for business. And let me find the one that we want to edit here on this example. Let's go, it's on the 3rd page. Here we are, staffing agency. This is the template we are using. If I click on view, I can have a quick view of the website. So I like this for this example. Of course, you can select any that you want. If we click on edit here, it will, Wix now knows that we want this template and they will come here and start loading the page for you, loading all the components, creating a copy of this template for your specific website. So here we are with the template ready to be edited, okay? In the next video, we will start doing this. We now selected the template. So I want you, if this is not your template, I invite you to explore all the templates until you find the one that you like. They have over 1,000 templates, so probably you will find the perfect one for you. Don't worry about the colors or anything. We will change and customize that in the next video. See you there. Okay, here we are ready to start customizing your website. This is the template we choose. You can follow, if you choose this one, that's great. You can just repeat exactly what I'm doing. If not, you can watch this video, and I invite you to watch this video to the end so you understand how to edit your template, and you can easily do that just following the same steps we are doing here. So in the left, we have the left menu. You can add pages, add elements here. You have the menu and pages menu. The site design, in here we can change the color, we can change the branding, we can add logo, the favicon, I'll show you that later. We can add apps. What are apps? Apps are apps that will help your website to perform even better. For example, if you need a booking system, if you need to book appointments, you can add an ad to do that. If you need people to upload files or any kind of interactions, you can find an app specifically for that. You have media, photos, videos, or any media you have. You can start a blog on this website, or you can use Ascent Business Tools. So if we go to add here, I click on add, you see all the options you have. For example, social, I can add a social link like this. So I just, with one click, I can move this around. Let's say I want to put my social in here, for example. So you have all the social links. If I click on set social links, you see all the links here. Let's say we don't use LinkedIn, for example. So I just remove this, and I remove also TikTok, for example. And if you want to use just this for, let's say Instagram, you click on that and you can change the link easily by clicking here. So you add your Instagram link here, right? In this case will be instagram.com/real Diego Davila. And you can choose if you want to open this on a new window or the current window. Okay, this is an example of how you customize. So it's here, and you can move this anywhere in the page that you want. Okay, in this case, because this is just an example, and we will be deleting this specific field. Okay, I just hit the delete key and it's gone. So you can add any elements on the add section. You also have the pages and menu. You see all the pages we have right now on your website. This is the home page, and you see that it's selected, so we are editing the home page right now. If I click on Find Talent, this is another page that is already included on the template that we have. You can use this page if you want, or you can just delete the page, or you can edit the page. It's up to you. And the last one is Find a Job. Is another page that is here on this template. Let's go back to the home page. Excellent. And if we go to the second one, you see the site theme. You can customize the colors. So if this is already a pack of colors that they recommend, colors that match each other, colors that combine with each other. So you see, I click the retro vibrant, and you see that all the colors are different now, are no longer yellow as original. I can go energetic, I can go eclectic. So you see different combinations they have for your theme. You can change the colors and all that. In the apps, as I told you before, we have all the apps that you can connect with your website, like theme apps. You see here map and store location, contact form, social stream. So lots and lots of apps here. I won't talk about each one of these because we will spend hours talking about this. But I invite you to come here and the thing that you need to keep in mind is the categories. So marketing, sell online, services. So let's say you want to sell online, you come here and you have all the tools to sell online. Communications, for example. Okay, I want to add more communication like chats to my website. I want to add testimonials or communication sliders. So you have all the options available here. Media, we are talking here about videos, photos that you can add, and you can start a blog, and you can also use the business tools that are more advanced on this case. So now that you understand the menu, we are going to the main part, and I'll show you how easy it is to customize this. In literally 5 to 7 minutes, we will have this website totally customized for my business. Okay, so if I come here, I just double click on the text, and I can write anything that I want. I can change the font, the themes, I can do bold or add effects or anything that I want. So let's do this digital marketing. So let's say my business is called Digital Marketing Plus. So you see that the plus is here. I can just click and drag it here. So now it's Digital Marketing Plus, and I will say here, let's take your business to the next level. I can add a button here. We have 2 buttons. I can keep 2, or I can remove 1 if I want, and I can ungroup this so I can check individually in each one of them. So let's say I want to delete this one, and I just want one call to action here, one button, and this will be the button to courses. Let's do this. Enroll in, let's do trainings. Perfect. So if people want to learn more about digital marketing, they can click on trainings or on courses or any call to action, any button that you want to add, and this will take them to another page that we can configure here. You see here, this is a link. So I can come here and I can add a new window. It can open in a new window, and I can say, okay, I want this button to go to a page that is already on my website, or I can go to a web address. Let's say I want to send people to diegodavila.com, which is my website where I have the courses. So every time they come here to my main company website and they click, this is my main call to action, they click on trainings, they go to that URL. I can move this around. Look how easy it is. I can, this photo is too big, so I can just adjust the size here. I can change the picture if I want. Just by double clicking on the side, you see all the pictures that we have here. And you can also upload any pictures that you want if you prefer. Okay, here we have some quick icons and links. You can change this image if you want. So you see, I click on the pencil and I can click on change image, super easy. and it opens. I can upload the image, or I can search online to have more images available. So let's say that here we will do Facebook ads. These are the services, the courses we have. Lead magnet. Let's do email marketing, and let's do social media marketing, for example. Okay, so I can add links to this if I want also. So when they come here, I can add a link or link to the test as you prefer. I can I can adjust this size of this column. The next one is about us. So you can change the test by just clicking here and rewriting. So let's say I want to change these pictures because these are not actually members of the team. So I just click on the image, click on change image. I can upload my photo here, for example, or I can search the web for more photos like Shutterstock. This Shutterstock is usually pay, so you see that it's $2.99 on this case. And you can go to Unsplash, which is 100% free. And let me find, for example, face. You search here. Let's say we want this guy here as the main picture. And here you see that it's a little bit, it's not center. So I can double click here and I can just drag, drop, and here we have it. Let me adjust it once again. Now it looks good. So if I want to change the name, I double click on the name. Let's say that this guy is Bob and he is the CEO. Excellent. So I want to change, let me adjust this. Excellent. I want to change this team member too. So one click here, change image, search, or upload, right? If it's your if you use your team, you can upload the pictures. Let's say we want this lady. Double click, adjust, that's it. Really easy to do. Change the name. I can change this paragraph. I can delete one of these paragraphs if it's not relevant. Up to you. Okay, so the contact us is the same thing. We change any of these tests by just clicking on the field. So this is not the right address. I can just rewrite the address here if I want. How do you change the map on this case? I click here and you see that it's saying Creative Corner. This is in San Francisco. This is not where my business is on this case. So I can click on Manage Locations. I can just enter the new address. Let's say we are in Miami. You see now that it's redirected to Miami. I can, of course, use and I recommend you to use the exact address of your business so people know exactly where you are. If they want to reach your business or visit your store, they know how to do it. And of course, I will change here my company name to Digital Marketing Plus, for example. I can add descriptions too, as I want. If you have multiple locations, you can also do that in here. Excellent. You see now we have digital marketing in Miami. This is what we have. These fields here are for submitting questions. So we have a duplicated one here. So I will delete this and also this one. So we have just this one too. So now we have just one field where people can send you messages. If you click here and you go to form settings, you can see that you have total control of what this is. You can configure here the settings. What is the name of the form, contact form? The email notifications, where are they saying the email notifications? Where are they submitting the messages? All that is here. You see here, when they submit the message, they will see thanks for submitting. And these messages here, they will go all to your email account that is associated with Wix. You can change that here on the settings too. So this is how you change, how you customize. You see that we have a website that is totally customized right now. Of course, we can change more things, like we can adjust more pictures, we can adjust the text, we can move this up, right, to look better because we have a space here that is not necessary. So I can move this here. So you see that how easy it is to manage this system here. I hope you come here, you create your Wix website, and when you are ready with this, all you need to do is click on Save to save the website. Excellent. Now it's saved. You can edit here. And if you are ready to go, you can publish. So you can click on Publish now, or just click on Publish here at the top. And now the site is live. Congratulations, your website is published and live online. So if I click on view website, I can see my website that is ready to go. You see that at the top we have the weeks advertised. This is something that is here because we have the free plan. So if you want to get rid of this ad, which I recommend because it's not very professional to have in the main area on the home screen of your website, you have a week's advertising. This is not, in my opinion, very professional. So I will recommend you to upgrade to a pay plan so you can remove this. And also, if you take a look here at the URL at the top, you see that we have for this website is Diego4575.0. .wixsite.com/mysite. So it's a complicated URL. Nobody will remember this. So if I want to change this, for example, for diegodavila.com or yourcompanyname.com, you will also need a pay plan. But this is a great start. I recommend you to build this website right now. And if you want to build more websites, of course, you can come here and you can find more templates, like, for example, CVs. Let's say you want to do an online resume. So you can find great examples here. For example, we have this one. I'm Robert. You can add your picture here. You see this guy is a UX designer and web developer. You see all the skills he has and more information about his experience. So you can build stuff like this on your Wix account, and this is absolutely fantastic because in minutes you will have a website ready for your customers, ready for your fans to see. I hope you do this. This is important. Remember that it's not enough just to watch the videos and learn. The real results come when we take action. So I invite you to stop now, pause this video, come to Wix and edit your website right now. Welcome to this section. If you are here watching with me, that means you want to create a website using WordPress, which is fantastic. It's a great choice, and I'm sure that you will love this process. This is a fun process. All you need to do is watch over my shoulder while I create a real website here on the screen, on the video for you, and follow the same steps that I'm doing. While we are doing that, I'll be explaining to you every single detail so you know exactly what are you doing. And by the end of this model here, this is exciting, you will have your website ready to go to share with your friends, with your clients, and anywhere, and available anywhere in the world, basically. Okay, so let's start with this process right now. In the next video, we will talk about what are the main elements. We have 4 elements necessary to create a WordPress website, which is easy and fun. And after that, we are starting right away, putting things into action and creating your website. See you in the next video. Okay, let's explore what are the elements we need to create a WordPress website from scratch. If you already know the elements, you can jump to the next video, but I invite you to stay here with me because even if you have some knowledge of what is a domain, what is hosting WordPress, in here, I'll give you some real examples that will help you to remember these concepts forever and will be easier for you to build your website if you know what is each element. So let's start right now. The first element we need to create any website is a domain name. So let's write this down, domain name. What is a domain name? Domain name is your domain. For example, in my case, my domain is diegodavila.com is a domain. Another domain could be google.com or amazon.com. These are all domains. So the domain name is the address of your website, the URL that people will type on the search bar when they want to visit your website. If you don't have a domain name, I'll show you how to get one in the next video when we sign for the hosting service. And it's super easy. Is usually the name of your brand, the name of your company, or your personal name, as on my case, if you are working with a personal brand, for example. Okay? That's the first element. What else do we need? The second element we need is a hosting service. Hosting service. What is a hosting service? And I'll show you real examples later here on this video. So stay here with me. A hosting service is a computer where your files, where your website will live on the internet. So the domain name is just the address of your website. If you have just a domain name, people will go to the browser, they will search for your domain name, and nothing will come up. So we need files. We need your website, and your website needs to live somewhere, and the house of your website is the hosting service. So this is usually where your website lives. Okay, let's say it's the house of your website. Excellent. What else do we need? Now we have a domain and we have a hosting service. We also need, now that we have the house and we have the address, we need files. We need to create your website itself. So that will be done in WordPress, and that's what we are doing here. WordPress is one of the leading website platforms all over the internet. Most of the websites today are running WordPress. So it's like the engine of your website. It's what is built. If you think about a house, WordPress is the walls, the roof, is the house itself. Okay, that's WordPress. Also, another element we need is WordPress themes. So what are the themes? The themes are the clothes. If you think about that you are going out for a party today and you need to choose which clothes are you going to wear. So the clothes that you use, that you choose for today are the themes of your website. So the appearance of your website is the WordPress themes. We can create any kind of website or appearance with themes. And this is great because you don't need to create anything from scratch. You can use pre-built WordPress themes that will just with one click, and this is fantastic, with one click, your website will look super professional and you will have your website right away running in minutes. And that's what we want here. We want to create the website fast. So we have these 4 elements. If we think about, let me move a little bit down. If we think about a house, let's say, I'll give you another example so you understand this. And let me change colors here. Let's go red. Okay. So let's say that we have a street. This is your street. This is where you live. And you have a land where you will build a home. So this is your land. This is your property, but it's empty. Nothing is inside. So the address, you have an address here, right? Even if you don't have a house yet, people can go to your address. If you give me your address of your land where you will build your house, I can go there, but nothing will be there. So this is your domain. The address here, the location is your domain name. Okay? Excellent. The hosting service is actually the land where you will build your website. This land here, the property, is your hosting service. Hosting, where your website will live. When we build the house, we say, okay, now we have an address, we have the land, the place where we can build the house. Let's build a house. So we go here and we build a nice house. We have a door, we have a window, everything looks good. This house here is built in WordPress. So now you have your address, you have the land where you build the house, which is the hosting. That's where you live, actually, the actual physical place where your house is. And you build the house using WordPress. So now you have a website, but the website is raw. What is that? It doesn't have any of your information. It doesn't have the signs, your brand colors, nothing is there. So your house is like raw, right? We need to paint the house. We need to decorate the house with furniture. You need to put frames on the wall, mirrors, and do it as you like. And that we will do with the WordPress themes. So when we apply in here, in this house, we apply the themes, we are having actually a beautiful house with the colors you choose and all the decoration that you choose. So this is the analogy for your website. We need a domain name, which is the address. The hosting service is your land where your website lives. The WordPress is the software that runs your website, and the WordPress themes are the clothes, the decoration, the paint of your house. So it looks super professional and beautiful. These are all the elements. I know sometimes it's confusing if you are scared right now and you say, oh my God, this is too much. Don't worry. It's super simple, and we will do this step by step. And I promise you, in minutes, you will have your website up and running, ready for your clients. See you in the next video. Now is the time to sign for the hosting service. Remember, the hosting is the website, the server on the internet where your website will live. It's like the land. If we think about building a house, where do you build the house? In the land that you have, in the property you just got. So this is HostGator, where your website will live. And this is one of the best, in my opinion, the best and the most affordable hosting service out there. And we have a partnership with HostGator. We recommend to our students for years, all over the years, and we got to a partnership, so we have a special price for my students. So if you are my student and you sign to HostGator, you see that we have our logo here at the top, right? You are paying less for the service. This is exclusively for my students. So I hope you don't share this out of here, out of the class, because this is a deal that we have just for you. Okay. So how do you get this special price? You go to diegodavila.com/hosting, diegodavila.com/hosting. You will land on this page or something similar. Sometimes they change the interface. Here we are, and this is a 7-step process, but it's super easy to follow. So stay here with me. The first step is to choose your domain. Remember, the domain is the address of your website. On my case, for example, is diegodavila.com. On your case, is your company name.com. You can choose other extensions if you want. You see here .com, .online, .me, .net. I recommend you, if possible, to go with .com, which is the easiest for people to remember. You want your your clients, your fans to remember your domain, your website URL easily, right? So if you already have a domain, you can click on already on this domain you see here, or if you don't have and you want to register a new one, I recommend you to register a new one because you are getting a free domain here with the deal that we have with HostGator. You can choose any domain that you want. So let me put like Diego Davila courses 20, just to have something that is not taken yet. See, we see that it's available and it's free because we have a 1-year plan with HostGator. We will have right now. So scroll down, you can choose others if you want. I recommend just to go with the free one for now, so you save money. And this is important. If you want to add domain privacy, you can check this box, but it's $15 a year. So I usually don't do it. It's up to you. I uncheck this, so I'm paying less for my hosting. Second step is to select the hosting plan. I recommend you, if you are starting and you just need one website for now, to go with the hatching plan. This is the cheapest. At any time you can upgrade to higher plans if you need. And the billing cycle, the deal that we have with HostGator is for the 12 month. You see that the 12 month have a more discount, 69% discount, even more than the 36 month. So if you are thinking about, okay, what should I get? I recommend to go with the yearly plan, or if you want just to test for now, you can go with the monthly plan. But in that case, you are not getting the free domain. You pay $5 for this domain, which is not bad also. Okay, I'm going for the yearly plan. Next step is to create your HostGator account. So you enter your email address, your password, and create a 4-digit security PIN. 4 numbers, any numbers that you can use, and this is just for security of your account. Next, you will enter your billing information, name, last name, company name, all this information that you have, and credit card to pay for the hosting, or PayPal if you prefer to pay with PayPal. The fifth one is the add-on services. I recommend to start without these services for now. So I make sure I uncheck all these boxes. But if you can upgrade and select this later when we need it. For now, we don't need this. And the last step is the orders details. You see, we have the live chat 24/7. Anytime if you are creating your website late at night, you will have always people on the chat to help you on HostGator. And we have a 45 days money back guarantee. So you can basically sign today and test this for 45 days. If you don't like it, or if anything happens, you can just send an email and they will refund 100% of your money here. And here we have the domain that we selected, and it's free, usually $18, $17.99. And we have the 12-month hatching plan, which is usually $107 per year. And with this partnership that we have with HostGator, my students are paying only $33 for a year of hosting plus a free domain. This is absolutely crazy. So taxes here, $35, excellent. This may change depending on where you live and your area, the prices changes. So if it's a little bit different, that's normal. I agree. If you agree, click here with the terms and conditions, and I'll click checkout now to go to the next step. Excellent. Here we go. We see, get ready. We are setting up your account. We are building your HostGator account. Please wait, and it's loading. And here we go. Here we are in the dashboard, the hosting dashboard. Congratulations, you have now a HostGator account. And you see here the hosting marketplace. If I click on hosting, we see the domain we select as the first of the main domain here. We have also the domains area. We have the billing area where we can change the billing payment, the method, and all that. In the next video, we will start building your website. So now we have the land to build your house. The next step will be to create the house, to build the house, and I'll show you that installing WordPress in the next video. See you there. Okay, now that we have the hosting service ready, we have the domain, the next step is to build your house, build your website. That means installing WordPress, which is the main software that will run your website. Here we are on the HostGator portal. So you see here we are in the dashboard, we have the hosting, the billing information, and we need to go to the cPanel. The cPanel is where we can actually manage your website. We can install WordPress, we can install the themes, and all these tools that will help you to build your website. So the next step to actually go there and install WordPress and manage your website is going to the cPanel. Here is the link. We are here on dashboard, and we click on launch cPanel. And you will see the cPanel launching here. Here we go. We have the cPanel with all the sections that we need. You see here we have on the right the general information about the primary domain, the IP address, the information about the DNS, the usage of your server, and all that. You don't need to worry about this. I'm just showing you so you know what it is. To install WordPress, we will scroll down here, and you will see while we are scrolling down, you see email. We can create email accounts here. We can manage the files, the images, the disk usage. We have the databases, domains, metrics, security, software. And here at the bottom, we have the option app installer, and we have WordPress here. If you don't see it here, you can just go to the arrows and explore other options, but you will see probably that on the first place, since WordPress is one of the most popular, actually the most popular website platform all over the internet. So I will click here on WordPress. Let's see. Excellent. Here we go. So it's saying install WordPress. This is what we want to do. You can manage the plugins and themes. We don't worry about this right now. The thing that we need to do is click on install now. Here you have the button. If you have a different interface, please look around for the button that says install now. So I click on that. Excellent. Here we are in the second step. You see, choose your URL installation. We have the HTTPS and we have the domain that we selected. If you have more domains, you can choose here, but now we have just this one because this is a new account that we are doing here together to make sure we are following the same steps, okay? Next, we have the site settings, so you can add the site name. On this case, will be learning with Diego, that's the domain name, and you can add a description if you want. Learn Digital Marketing Plus. You can add an admin account for your WordPress. So what is this exactly? This is an account that you will use to log in into your website, okay? You don't need to come back to HostGator after we install WordPress. We are working only on WordPress, okay? So you can set an admin account here. You can change this, or you can leave the admin username. I will leave this for now. I'll change later. Choose the language of your website, any language that they have available. You can select plugins. I invite you to just leave this for now. We will do this later. You can select themes, also leave it as it is, and you can just click install here, okay? So you can enter your email for details about the installation and click install. Excellent. You see here is checking and submitting your data. 9%, 10% is working. It will take from 3 or 4 minutes. Oh, actually it's going fast. Look at that. Oh my God, 85%. Let's see, 89, 90. So after this, what we will be doing is going to WordPress. We will log in on WordPress and we will start building your website right away. And you will have your website ready in minutes because we are using some themes that will allow you to do that. Excellent. We see that the installation was completed successfully, as you see here. And we have two important links. The main link of your website, the URL, and also the administrative link where you can log into your WordPress console, and there is where we will install all the themes, the plugins, and we will make sure your website looks beautiful and with the face of your company, your color brands, and all that. So right now, what we can do is return to the WordPress management. Let's see. Here we are. We see some information about WordPress, about the site is loading here. And now if we actually go to your domain, which is this one, the learningwithdiego.com, in my case, I can see the website already. So let's try that. learnwithdiego.com. Let's see. Here we go. We have a generic website which is pre-made for us, but this is not what we are doing here in the course. Of course, we will modify this and make sure this has your company face, your company personality. Okay, how do we log in now to your WordPress website? We click here on login. You see here, manage user login, and it will open for us the WordPress website we just created. Okay, is thinking about it. Here we go. Here we are already logging in your website. You see that the dashboard you can always find on your domain /WP admin. Remember that. To manage your website, to change anything on your website, to create content, post videos, or anything, you always need to go to the administrator dashboard, which is under your domain /WP admin on this case. And remember, the username and password for that is on the C panel, as we saw in the last video. In the next video now, we will install your theme and we will configure some settings to make sure this website is super optimized for your business. See you there. Okay, we are ready to start with the WordPress theme to make sure your website have your business branding, colors, and style, okay? So to do that, we will start installing a theme, which is called Astra. So we go right now to Appearance, Themes. Here we see all the themes that we have already installed by default here on the website. And if we click on plus here on Add New Theme, we can search here for Astra, okay? Here we go. Astra has some free templates that we will use. So in this case, you don't need to worry about signing or paying for anything. This is all for free coming from Astra. So here is the theme. We will click on install right now. It's installing. Excellent. Excellent. The theme is installed right now. Also, we will install another plugin from Astra. So we go to plugins. And here on plugins, we click on add new to add new plugin. And here we have the upload option, but we are searching on this case, we'll search again for Astra. So we have a theme and also a plugin that we need to install from then. This is the one, started templates, install now. You see they have over 2,000 reviews with over 1 million active installation. We will activate this plugin right now. Excellent. Here we go, it's activating. And now, before we change the face of your website, let's take a look how your website looks like right now. So I go here to Learning with Diego, visit website, let's see. This is the face. This is what we have right now on the website. You see that is a really simple website that is nothing, that have nothing to do with your business right now. But that's about to change. So we come back here. On this case, we go back to plugins, and we search here for started templates, and we will click on See Library. Excellent. Here we will see all the library. There is a video that you can watch if you want. I will click here on Build Your Website Now. And in here you select the page builder. You can choose any that you want, but I recommend you to go with Elementor. This is the one that we are using here. Elementor, excellent. And now we see all the templates that they have available here. You can see the list by popular, latest, the premium. So most of them are free. So you can take a look on all the free options and choose the one that you like the most. So we can choose right now. Let's find one that is great for the business. Let's go with this one in this case. So click on that. We see we can upload the logo. We will do that later. This is how the website looks like. You see we have a top menu, take action, learn more. We have events here. We can add products if you want. You have all these available for you. So I like this. If you want to test another template, you are welcome to, or you can choose this one and follow with me. Click on next. Here you can change the color. Look how simple this is, guys. You can change totally easily the colors just with one click. They customize the colors by the template that they have pre-made here on this specific for this specific theme. I will go with the default colors for now. You can also change the font. Let's click on continue. Now they are asking for some information about us. You can add information here about your name. Let's say that I'm a beginner and I'm building the website for my company or myself. I agree with the terms and conditions. I click now, submit, and build my website. Okay, here is the email address. Okay, excellent. Now we are building the website. The website is building right now. You see the percentage going up. And here we go. The website is ready. We can watch the video again, or we can just click here to exit to the dashboard. Let's see. Here we go to the dashboard. Excellent. Now, if we see the website, this is the website we had initially. I will refresh the page now. So let's go refresh. Let's see. This is the website we have now. Look at the difference, guys. This is super professional. It's a different kind of website. We have sections. We have great photos, pictures that we will replace for your products, your photos of your business. So basically, you can customize any of these areas easily here on this website. Let's do that in the next video. Congratulations, your website is ready. Now we need to, for sure, change and customize, personalize this for your business. How do we do that? It's also really simple. At the top, we have an option here called Edit with Elementor. We will click on that. Elementor will open for us and we will start editing your website. And you can edit this as a simple text processing document. You see here that we can select test, and you can change the text here, the title, for example. So wonderful gift, in this case, the subtitle you can change also. You can change the button, the text on the button, and also the color, the style. You can customize everything. So let's start with that. Let's say we have a digital marketing agency. And let's change these to take your business to the next level. So you can customize all these. Learn more we have here. Let's change this to see the agency plans, for example, for consulting or stuff like that. So I just click on the button. Now in the left side, I see the default. You can change this to any style, that any type that you want, you see that the color changes. So let's go to the default. The text is here, and you can add a link. So in this case, let's add a link to a website where they can find information about these plans, for example. They have a pop-up option if you want, alignment. All this is available to you. So you see that the main area of the website is already customized, looks great. We can change the image now of this picture. So to do of this area, to do that, we right-click here on this section. We go to Edit section, and here in the left menu we have Layout, Style, and Advanced. If we click on Style, we can see the picture here. We can change this image at any time. So let's change the image. Here we can insert media. You can use the media that you have, or you can upload new media. So let's upload a new one. Let's see. Here is the image. I select that and I click on Insert Media. Excellent. Here we go. You see now we have the image already inserted here on the website. This looks fantastic. Also, we can change these by double clicking and change the text. We can change the photos. By clicking here, we can change all the text, the buttons, and you can customize anything that you want. Let's say you want to add a video. You said, Diego, that's great. I want to add a video here below or above this sentence here. So how do we do that? We come here to the main menu. You click on the 6-dot square on this corner, and you see all the elements you can add to your website. Let's say we want to add a video, this one for example. So all I need to do is select the video and say show Elementor, where do I want to add? Let's add below the text. So here we go. We have the video here, and if I click on the video, I can customize all the settings about the video. We have here YouTube, the link of the video. I can change this for the link that is the real link, start and end time, autoplay, mute, loop. You can configure all these here on WordPress. So when you are ready, let's say you are ready to go, you like the website, it looks professional, fantastic, you test it, is fine. You can click here on update. Excellent. It's updating right now. And once it's ready, I can just go to the main menu here on the left and go to exit dashboard or view page. Let's view the page to see how it looks like right now. So I go here, view page. It's opening. Here we go. This is our website right now. We have the top menu, take action, the logo, the agency plan. If I click here and go into that page specifically, we have the video, the products, everything that we customize here on this specific video. Also, let's say you want to configure, you want to change, you want to add here the logo of your website. You want to change the menu. How do you do that? Here you are on your website. You click on customize on the top menu, and here you will see a preview of your website. And if you put the mouse around the website, you see that you can customize all these items. You see a pencil, a blue pencil here. So if I'm here on the logo, I click on the logo pencil and I can upload the logo. So I can remove this and upload a new image if I want. If I want to change the menu, I can just click here on the pencil around the menu. And you see that we have the menu here with the primary menu. I can click on edit and you see all the elements. About is the second one, services, the third one, projects, contact, and here we go. So you can change all these by clicking and changing the information here. If you want to add a new item here on the menu and you want to create a new page, let's say, all you need to do is go and create a new page. So let's do that right now. So I'm going back to the dashboard. I'm going to the pages menu. Let's go here, dashboard. Excellent. And I go to pages. And I can go add new page. Excellent, it's adding the page. And now I just need to add the title of the page. So let's say this is products. And click on edit with Elementor. It's opening right now, and here we will have the option to customize and add any information, any blocks to your page. So you see here we have the footer, the top menu, and here we have availability to add any of these information. So let's say I want to add an image first. Excellent. The image is too big, so let's go medium. Excellent. Let's go medium, large, medium. Let's now add another element. Let's add a text heading. Okay, and we will see this is a list of the best selling products. And here we can add more things. Let's see. We can add, for example, a video, a button, space, text editor. So let's put a text editor here. We can add images also, images of your products so they look good. And we have all this flexibility here on this page, okay? When you are ready, you can click on publish. So this will be the products page, for example. And if we want to add this to the top menu, all we need to do is go back to the dashboard. And in the dashboard, we do the same process we did before. We go to the home dashboard screen and we go now to customize. So view site, here we have the website. And now on the top, we have the customize option. So we can add the menu here. Customize, excellent. It's opening here for us. Let's click now on the menu to add the menu item. And here we have the primary menu. Remember, configure menu from here. Click on the primary menu, edit menu, and we can add new page here. So add items, and here we have all the pages available. So here we have one, products, which is the one that we just created. So I will click plus here, and you see that it's automatically added to the menu. So I want this to be the first page after home. So I just drag and drop here to the top, publish, and now we have the projects here on the top. And now we have a professional website ready for your clients. All you need to do is come here and edit, and you can choose this template that we use from Astra or any of the other free or paid template if you like one of those. And with that, you will have a professional website in minutes ready on the internet for your customers, to receive your customers and sell your products, your services easily here on WordPress. See you in the next video. Hey guys, welcome to the end of the course. Congratulations. If you are here, that means that you already have your website live, optimized, good looking, professional, and ready to go for your clients to sell your products, your services, to be discovered online. People will start finding your website organically now on Google searches, which is fantastic. Also, you can create now that you have a website, you can create content there. You can create a blog, you can create articles. People also have a way to find your business, your phone number, your address, if you want to share that on your website. Also, they can see your products, your services, what you have to offer, and you are gaining more and more credibility and trust because you have this professional looking website right now. That's fantastic. And if you want to start selling your products, your services here on your website, also please do that, because this is the best way. You will be opening new possibilities for your business by selling your products and services online with a website that is open 24 hours a day, every single day of the year. Fantastic, right? So basically you could start selling products and services while you are sleeping and making money while you sleep, which is amazing. Congratulations again. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, about how you can take now your website that you created to the next level, how you can use that to sell your products, how you can promote that on social media and grow with email marketing campaigns, we have lots and lots of content and amazing trainings on diegodavila.com. So if you want to learn more, please go now to diegodavila.com and you can explore the courses we have there. I will love to see you in my next training, and I hope you enjoy now your website and start sharing with your clients and with the world. Thank you. See you in the next course.